Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on a Chromebook. First, ensure your Chromebook supports the Google Play Store, as this is the primary method for installing Android applications. Then, navigate to your settings to enable it, which usually takes just a few clicks. Once enabled, you can easily search for and download Brawl Stars directly from the store, just like on any Android device. To get started, open your Chromebook settings, typically found by clicking the time in the bottom right corner and then the gear icon. Scroll down to the Apps section and look for Google Play Store. Click Turn On and follow the on-screen prompts to accept the terms of service. This simple process usually takes less than 1 minute to complete, granting you access to thousands of Android applications. Once the Google Play Store is enabled, open it and use the search bar to find Brawl Stars. Click Install and wait for the download to complete, which might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, launch the game. Within Brawl Stars, navigate to the Settings menu to adjust graphics quality and control layouts. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your Chromebook's performance and your personal play style. For the best Brawl Stars experience, always keep your Chromebook's operating system updated to the latest version. Before playing, close any applications running in the background, such as web browsers or other apps, to maximize available memory and processing power. Many players find that using an external mouse or a compatible Bluetooth controller significantly improves gameplay precision and comfort, offering a more traditional gaming feel compared to the trackpad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.